Hi everyone, in this video I'll be unpacking the large crate from my factory 533 hot rod. Well, we just got a big package. Let's take a little peek. This has literally just became real. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. Well, as you heard, this project has become real. My first new part shipped in, the Moser 8.8 rear end for my factory 533 hot rod version 2. Even though you could only order this from factory 5, it gets drop shipped straight from Moser Engineering, and they use UPS freight. I had to take a half day off of work since UPS only gives you a window of time and does not make a courtesy call when they're on their way. Of course, I expected they would come at the last minute of that window, but actually they were right in the middle to my surprise. The driver was great and pulled this thing up the curb with no head start and no flinching. This guy must have been pure muscle. This thing is about 275 pounds, plus the crate and the pallet, which was probably another 100 pounds. I need to break this crate down and get some of this wood out of the way. Now that I got it down to just the pallets, I'm going to try to move this thing off by myself if I can, and then get rid of the rest of the wood. Now I know when you kind of do the gross alignment of this car, you need a few blocks of wood, so I kept some of the wood from this crate so I could use this when I go to do my alignment. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.